Now, one of the hardest things when starting a business is getting your phone to ring when you first start.
And on this video, we're going to talk about how to get your first junk removal clients.
And if that sounds like something you want to learn, make sure you smash that like button and hit that notification bell so whenever we post a video, you'll be notified.
Now, we have some jobs on the list today, and you're coming along with us. Let's go meet up with the Julio. So we're at the first job of the day, and this is for a repeat customer who found us on Craigslist back in the day.
So you want to get your first junk removal job. Well, what you can do if you're not on social media is start posting every single day on Craigslist. And that's where I got my first job from. And right now it costs $5 for each post. And you want to post in the labor section. And trust me, your phone will ring. But you got to keep doing it every single day. And there's going to be a lot of people out there saying Craigslist got a bunch of tire kickers and cheap people. Yes, it does. But let me tell you like this. My buddy landed a $25,000 job off of Craigslist. It was a hoarder house, and that's life-changing money. Now here's the first job of the day, and everything with blue tape goes. These mattresses go, this stuff right here goes, and we got more stuff in the backyard. And I would definitely say we got about a full load here.
So do you want to see a hauler's worst nightmare? Check this out.
Come on, Julio, throw that on your back.
This is a hauler's worst nightmare. You weren't messing around. Ugh.
Now here's the easiest way to get your first job. What you want to do is text all your friends and family members in your phone and let them know, hey, I started a business, a trash business. If you have any junk you need hauled away, please let me know. So you want to get your phone to ring? Well, here's one thing you should be doing.
You should target the right audience. Know where the higher income areas are in your area. Junk removal is a luxury service, so you need to make sure you are targeting the audience around you that can afford junk removal service.
Now you want to target people that pay to get their cars detailed, pay to get their lawns done, and pay for cleaning services. Trust me, those are the ones that are going to hire the junk haulers. So got a little bit of a bonus with all that scrap we had. Let's see how much money I get. So check it out, it came out to $28. I'm gonna show you how to save $100. These mattresses and box springs, they charge us $50 a piece, but we ain't paying that. And we just saved $100 in 50 seconds.
We're at the second job of the day, and this is one of our favorite clients, and she's a repeat client.
So this customer found us off a bandit sign.
Now, if you want to get your phone to ring, you got to get some bandit signs and put these up in the most busiest intersections in your area where the money's at. And you can order these at UZ Marketing. I'll leave a link down below. Trust me, these are some money makers. Now here's the next job, and it's a sleeper couch. And what we do is we grab a garbage bag and wrap it around the sleeper and the couch so when we move it, it doesn't pop open and damage the walls. And we also got more stuff over here that needs to go. And all I gotta say is easy money. So back in the day, I wanted to be a trash man. Look at me now. I own my own trash business. Now this is the shit I gotta deal with. I'm rolling down the road and I say, hey, we're hopping on the freeway. Is your seatbelt on?
Sorry, Judge, I'm gonna buckle mine.
Don't touch your ass, bro. What the hell, Julio?
No, I'm just trying to buckle.
You guys seen that.
No, I was just trying to buckle my thing.
I'm gonna rewatch this, Julio. I'm done with your ass. The baby maker's trying to make a move.
No.
Oh, hell no. I'm telling your wifey.
So we are at the next job. It's for a realtor, and they have a refrigerator.
And check out this house right here.
Now look at the size of that house up there on the hill. We are in a good area.
Now, if you want to land more jobs, ask yourself this.
You always want to ask yourself, who's going to need your service? And make sure you network with local realtors, carpenters, house movers, storage unit facilities, business owners. The list goes on and on.
Now, you always want to network, and remember, closed mouths don't get fed, so you want to promote yourself 24/7. You want to rock your gear, and wherever you go, let people know what you do. So the next time you're getting your hair cut, let that person know who's cutting your hair what you do, that you're a junk hauler.
So we've locked jobs in just meeting people at the grocery store, talking to them, showing our uniforms, and telling them what we do.
Now, the way that we got this job was off someone that seen our decals and took a picture of our vehicle. So check out this find of the day. Only out here in California. We got some organic blunt wraps. Hit me up, I got them for the low. And if you really want to have some fun, we got that rum for you too, baby.
Right? So tip of the day is, if you guys come up on some batteries, you guys could take them to O'Reilly's and you guys could get gift cards for these babies, $10 each.
So often, as a business owner, you are going to need to think outside the box. Do some research on your competitors and see what are they doing that is making them successful.
Now, there's no reason to reinvent the wheel. If you see 1-800 got junk doing something, you should be doing it too. There's no reason not to.
So we are at a doctor's office. We have been here before, and today we're just giving an estimate, and we'll come back here later to do the job.
Where's 405 then?
You look lost.
Yeah, the numbers are kind of off a little bit. So about an hour and 30 minutes later, we finally found the building and we locked the job in for next week.
Now, if you want to get your phone to ring, you got to be on all free platforms on social media. You want to be on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and you want to promote yourself 24/7 and stay consistent and post every single day. I live by the 10 post day rule. I'm posting 10 times a day no matter what.
So remember, when you first start a business, nobody knows who you are. It's up to you to get your name out there and get your phone to ring.
Now, if you've been thinking about starting a junk removal business but haven't yet, check this out. We made this much money today.
And if you own a junk removal business and you want to grow your business, you want to learn how to hire employees or how to build your business so it's a sellable asset, you should come to the Junk Expo. Are you ready? You asked for it and it's back.
The Junk Expo 2025.
It's bigger.
It's better.
This time it's a 2-day event for the same price.
And we got more speakers, more vendors, and bigger giveaways.
This is going to be the biggest junk removal event ever.
So if you own a junk removal business, this is going to be the place to be.
Tickets now at junk-expo.com.
And remember, last year they sold out, so get them while they last. And if you're looking for some work boots, the best boots out there for the trash business, I would say, are Brunt boots. These are brand new steel toes, and the last pair I had lasted me like 2.5 to 3 years. These things last forever.
Autopilot will become your one-stop shop for everything you need to build and grow your junk removal business. It's called Autopilot, and it's because we intend on doing a lot of features automatically for you that makes your life easier. We're gonna have a phone system, call tracking, ad tracking. Combine these 3 tools, you get powerful data. We're gonna have marketing sequences, SMS blasts, email blasts, voicemail blasts, mass postcard. Make a sequence with whatever you want. We're gonna have some really awesome pre-built ones that are very powerful, so you don't have to switch to Go High Level. You don't have to go to CallRail. This is gonna help you guys take your business to the next level. Here's the cool part, guys. It's only $49 a month.
And if you want to try out Autopilot, hit the link below and use the invite code Matt and JoJo.